Today's hospitals face many challenges. With a dramatic increase in the frequency of medical errors threatening both patient safety and the quality of patient care. Now more than ever, hospitals are looking for solutions to help them eliminate these life-threatening and costly mistakes. Barcode scanning can address these issues by enabling the double and triple checks necessary to ensure the patient's safety. But not all barcodes and scanners are created equally. Motorola, a world leader in imaging and laser scanning, has worked closely with healthcare professionals to develop a cordless scanner designed to meet the unique needs of a healthcare environment. Barcode scanning provides instant access to critical patient information required to match the right patient with the right laboratory specimens, medications, meals, and even surgical procedures. The Motorola DS6878HC is a powerful solution that is particularly well suited for a number of healthcare applications. At the patient bedside, supporting medication management and dispensing. In the pharmacy, to ensure proper dosing and tracking. In the admitting office, as well as for document and chart management and asset tracking. The DS6878HC supports 1D, 2D, and PDF 417 barcodes and can capture and transfer images. It can also be used to capture images of important documents in seconds. Things such as prescriptions, healthcare proxies, living wills, and insurance cards can be permanently stored in the patient's electronic record, eliminating the time and cost associated with managing paper files. Barcodes on the wristband match those on the patient's chart documents. This barcode serves as a unique identifier, ensuring positive identification and enabling quick data retrieval at virtually every stage of the patient's care. In the pharmacy, medications are accurately dispensed and positively labeled. The pharmacist can easily confirm dosage instructions and see drug allergy or interaction problems. Laboratory samples are matched to the right patient, and time-sensitive tests are performed more quickly. Test results can then be compared with the barcode on the wristband or medical chart. Clinical staff, including respiratory or other therapists, radiology, and diagnostic